Sunday. What a beautiful day it's turned into. Thanks for joining us today for our virtual open house. Today we've got lease specials for you. First we're going to see 227 Townsend Avenue. Beautiful 4+1 bedroom detached home for lease. $3,100 a month. We're on a 60 by 175 lot. Gorgeous lot. 1,800 square feet. If you have any questions, please send them in and I'll get to them as soon as possible. We're south of Plains Road here in Aldershot. Beautiful pocket of Burlington. Nice mature trees. Let's take a look at 227. Again, a 4+1 bedroom. Nicely updated on a gorgeous lot. Nice long driveway, tons of room for parking or for kids playing. Let's go in and take a look. Here we are, living room, nicely updated flooring. Nice big windows, lots of natural light flooding the property. Decorative mantle. Updated kitchen. Peninsula counter for tons of surface area. Can never have enough. Clean, fresh, bright. Newer cabinetry. And a nice little door through to a mudroom. Great extra space. Out to a nice deck, but we'll see more of that when we go through the backyard. Nice shiplap finishing here. Through the kitchen. Updated 4-piece on the main floor. New flooring. Nicely finished. Through the archway, another family room, dining room. There's a workspace nook here or built-in bookshelf, should fit nicely. French doors out to the deck. We'll get a sneak peek at that and then we'll see the backyard after as well. Look at the size of that lot, 175 feet deep. Again, we're at 227 Townsend Ave. Lease property, 4+1 bedrooms, $3,100 a month. Let's go upstairs and see the bedroom floor. Again, nice open concept. We'll let you go up the stairs. Generous bedrooms with lots of storage, big windows to let in lots of light, nice glass pane door as well. Bedroom 2, nice and long, newer laminate flooring, good storage, and again, nice and bright. Newly updated 3-piece on the bedroom floor. Great herringbone tile. Newer shower stall. All updated. Bedroom 3. Again, a generous sized bedroom. 2 windows. Closet. Bright and fresh. And bedroom 4. Again, laminate flooring, nice and bright, built-in storage. Just a lovely cheery space. And the hallway is roomy. You can have a homework nook or additional storage. Let's go see the basement. Basement's partly finished, lots of clean space for hobbies. A +1 bedroom down here. Big clean space, lots of room for crafts or hanging out, hobbies, whatever you need. One room could be an overflow bedroom, making it a +1. Another space could be an office or a workshop, craft room. And we have storage, mechanical room, washer, dryer, laundry tub. It's all here. Let's go out and see that beautiful backyard. Huge deck, beautifully finished. Nice open rails, nice wide steps down to the 175 deep loft. Great spot for the summer, entertaining, huge deep yard, nice storage shed, more than a storage shed, big shed. You can have your own garden back there, a lot of privacy, really amazing space. Beautiful mature trees. And let's take a look at that long driveway as well. Lots of room to play hockey, park cars, tons of space. Well maintained, beautiful house, 227 Townsend Ave. If you have any questions, please contact us, info@karenpaul.com. And again, this was 227 Townsend Ave in Aldershot for lease. 4+1 bedroom, $3,100 a month. Thanks so much. Have a great day.